Have you ever wanted that perfect camping setup for a family, a couple, or if you're just looking up your own camping game? Today, we'll give you a chance to take home some gear that's designed in Australia for Australian conditions from OZtrail, Companion, and Campfire. Hang around to the end of the video and we'll show you how you can do it for just as little as $5. G'day, Nathan from the Great Endeavour Rally. As you know, camping's a big part of the Great Endeavour Rally and we're excited to announce our partnership with OZtrail, Companion and Campfire for all things camping. And to help celebrate, we've been given the keys to the warehouse here in Brisbane to put together the ultimate camping raffle. Now that's perfect for a family, a couple that just loves to get out on the weekend and go camping, or the weekend warrior. Now, as you can see, this place is some 20,000 square meters and carries something like 30,000 pallets. So if I was left to my own devices, I'd be in here for a week and yeah, you'd never see me again. So what I might do, I might give Ben a shout out, see if we can get a trolley and go do some shopping. Thanks guys. Hey Ben, you reckon you might be able to give us a bit of a hand and navigate our way around this warehouse to put an ultimate camping raffle together,
yeah,
mate?
Mate, of course, no worries. We'll just go grab a trolley, eh?
Yeah, no, sounds like a plan, mate. Like, again, mate, we cannot thank you enough for giving us access to the warehouse. Like, it's fantastic, and yeah, much appreciated, mate. Yeah, mate. No, I mean, we couldn't think of a better way to you know, kick off our partnership with assisting with the rally. You know, it's going towards a good cause. All the proceeds are going towards a charity, and yeah, it's really good, mate. Ah, perfect. Thanks, mate. Righto, mate. Big place. Where do we start? We're looking for tents, swags, camp chairs, something to cook up a storm, and if you've got it, something electrical that can help people stay a little bit longer while they're out there on the camp trip. Yeah, mate, no, we've got it all. Everything to own your weekend, staying longer and really feed your soul. So I'm sure there's a bunch of things down here you might not have thought of, along with all the tents and everything as well. Oh, perfect, mate. All right, let's get into it. Let's go find a trolley. Let's go, mate. Yes. Tell you what, Ben, looks like I might have found our first item, mate. Is this a 10-person tent, this one? Yeah, mate, that one's perfect for family camping. So it's a big 3-room tent, you know, really good for mum and dad in one room, kids in the other. Still room for gear in the middle. Sets up really quick being our fast frame tent, so really good to add to the kit, mate. Nah, perfect, mate. We'll chuck that one on the trolley and we'll see what else you got in mind, mate. I know this is perfect for the family, like you mentioned, but yep. What else are you thinking that's really going to supercharge this ultimate camping raffle? I think to really help you get off the grid and, you know, to really stay longer is, you know, a fridge, some power and some solar. So that really gets you off the grid and, you know, store all your food and drinks and everything that you need. No, perfect, mate. Yep. All right, let's get into it. All right. So Ben, is this little one here, is this your 40 amp hour battery pack there? Yeah, mate, it's a must-have when you're going off the grid. So it's a 40 amp lithium battery, so you know, perfect for powering your fridge, your lights, charge your phones, everything you need, mate. Yeah, perfect. Now, in terms of that, mate, as well, obviously, you know, you've got solar connections, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, so it's got quite a bit of kit here. Works perfectly with our 120-watt solar blanket, which I'll show you just up here, actually. Yeah, perfect, mate. We might have just spotted that one here, I think. Yeah, yep. So absolute bell ringer of a product, mate. Super lightweight, super compact, has really good output, and as I said, works perfectly with our Rover 40. Yeah, nice, mate. Yep. Beautiful. Righto, we'll chuck that to the price pack as well, and we'll keep on going. Now we've got all the power we need, mate, but you know, no good power unless you got something to keep things cold. You reckon you might be able to track down a bit of a fridge or something? Yeah, yeah, I think we're just pretty close to that now, mate. So if we head up there, I think we'll be able to find one for you. Yeah, perfect. No worries, mate. This looks like the fridge you might have been talking about before, mate, there. Yeah, mate, it's the final piece of the puzzle, I think. It's a 60-litre single-zone fridge, so, you know, has a really generous height in there. You can fit your wine bottles and your bigger water bottles and everything, and made out of a metal shell, so super tough when you're getting off the trails, mate. Ah, perfect, mate. Okay. All right, pop her on the pallet. Pop her on, yep. Get her going. Sounds good. Gee, she's light too, which is handy. Yeah. All right. Righto, mate, I think we've got everything's sorted as far as keeping us out there for as long as we can. Now I think might just have to feed the soul a bit, mate. I love a bit of cooking, a decent feed while we're out camping. What are we sort of thinking around that?
Mate, I think it's, you know, got to look at our iconic 9-quart camp oven. I think campfire cooking is definitely something that really does feed your soul, mate. So
perfect,
let's go
mate.
check it out.
All right, let's get into it. All right, Ben, so pretty much you mentioned Campfire, camp oven, little 9-quart one here, mate. So, yeah, mate, you know, tell us a bit about this one.
Yeah, it's a must-have in your kit. So this is our 9-quart camp oven kit. So it comes with your bag, gloves, and lid lifter. So pretty much everything you need if you want to put, you know, do a roast or a damper. You can even do pizza in it. The options are really endless in it, mate. So 9 quarts are a really good size for family camping.
Yeah.
You can get, you know, really good, nice bits of meat in there. So
yeah, perfect, mate. Actually looks like a good little setup. Well, mate, again, we can't thank you enough for, you know, allowing us access here to the warehouse, and you know, we've managed to find a few little secrets. I think I wouldn't have probably taken half a day to find in here. So I want to thank you for your time, mate. But I'll let you get back to it. I might pinch the trolley and, you know, go find what else I can search out in here, and then yeah, go from there, mate.
Yeah, sounds good, again, mate. Really happy to be on board with this project, and couldn't think of a better cause.
Too easy, mate. All right, no worries. I'll leave you to it. Thanks, mate. I'll grab the trolley and we'll go
good.
from there. If I can work out how to use it, there we go. Righto, guys. I think I might have gone a little bit overboard in the warehouse there, but you know, I was like a kid in a candy store. And when Ben started mentioning all those, you know, extra things they've got and what they can actually provide to, you know, get you to stay longer, own your weekend, and, you know, campfire stuff to really truly feed the soul. I can't believe what, you know, OZtrail, Companion and Campfire have put on for us at Endeavour firstly, and then obviously for you guys. Now, let's run through these prizes for you. And I think you'll be as blown away as I am. Like I need a list, they're that big, so we'll kick her off. So first prize, we've branded perfect for the family, and there's a few reasons why. So you're looking at the 10-person OZtrail fast frame tent, 2 RV directors chairs, 2 cotton canvas jumbo hooded sleeping bags, OZtrail Ironside 3-piece recreation table set, the Companion 60-litre fridge or freezer, mind you, the AquaHeat, Companion AquaHeat, the Companion 120-watt solar charger, the Companion 40 amp hour little power station there that we ran through before, Companion 2-burner cooker, and also you've got a Campfire Macquarie 11-piece cast iron set, which is just phenomenal, guys. So, you know, that's just first prize. So we run down to second prize, you know, for that. Perfect for a couple enjoying a weekend away out bush, and, you know, thinks of nothing better than sleeping under the stars. What we've got is an OZtrail fast frame Lumos 6-person tent, 2 OZtrail RV chairs, a Companion single burner high output cooker, a Companion Campfire camp oven. It's 9-quart camp oven, so very similar to the one we showed you inside there before. And then that's second prize. We're still going, guys. We've got third prize. So if you consider yourself a bit of an avid camper, you know, pack the back of the ute, head off for the weekend, this is perfect for you. It's got just enough to get you going and you know, ups your camping game, which would be fantastic. So what we've got is the OZtrail Mitchell Expedition double swag. You know, clearly if you need a bit more room, you're used to a queen size bed, you're perfect for you there. 2 OZtrail deluxe armchairs, you know, because you're always going to bring a mate along with you. The Companion propane double cooker stove, and the Campfire 9-quart camp oven set as well. Now, guys, that's the total prize package there. First, second, third, absolutely phenomenal. Like I said, can't thank OZtrail enough, but we had a bit of a look before at a few of the prizes. How about we go through them a little bit more now, and we'll kick her off by starting with this massive 10-person OZtrail tent. Firstly, it's a fast frame tent, so you'll have it up in minutes. And the fly is fitted with a BlockOut coating, so it blocks the light by up to 95%. That coupled with the Climatech vents, you'll find at the bottom of your tent there, that's going to keep you cool on those balmier nights, which is just fantastic. It's got a 3000mm waterhead rated ripstock polyester fly and an ultra tough poly Oxford floor.
It's going to keep you dry no matter what, guys. It's designed in Australia for Australian conditions.
Righto guys, we've had a bit of a look at the tent. Now how about we check out some of those electrical items. We might kick it off with this 60 litre single zone fridge freezer, I should say. Let's have a bit of a quick look.
Now this is just one of the many units Companion have got across their range, all backed by a 3-year warranty, 3-stage battery monitor and a dual speed LG compressor. AC/DC operation, so got you covered if you need the extra fridge space at home, and of course guys, low power consumption with what you need in a mobile unit. Soft close lid, save the noise and also the fingers. Extra wide lid seal and extra thick insulation. You know, no point having a fridge unless you're going to keep stuff cool, guys. This one's really going to get you staying longer, which is a fantastic bit of kit.
So that's a little feature pack fridge there for you. How about we have a look at, you know, not much point having a fridge unless you can power it. So let's have a look at this 40 amp hour Rover Lithium power station.
This one will get you living off the grid quicker than you know. It's got multiple output charging options, a USB-C, 2 USBs, 2 DCs, a 12 volt SIG socket, a 12 volt 2-pin socket, and an Anderson plug, which obviously pairs well with the fridge we saw there earlier. Great little unit, this one.
We've also got these 120 watt solar charger panels here. So they're all from Companion, all fantastic gear. So a couple of features that are...
There's A-grade monocrystalline silicone cells, an ETFE lamination for weather resistance, inbuilt stand from 30 up to 45 degrees just to maximise your output.
That's pretty much all your power needs covered, guys. We've got the solar charger, your lithium power pack, and the fridge. But there's one other little item from Companion that I think will make your camping trip that much easier. And it's this little beauty over here. So it's the AquaHeat lithium kit. So you don't need the power supply there. It runs off its own little battery.
And you get up to 120 minutes from a full charge. This is truly a portable hot water system, guys. I mean, you can run it off a little portable propane canister as well, which is just phenomenal. Push button start. I mean, if I can use it, anyone can use it. They even thought of little quick connect hose fittings for, you know, just making your life that much easier when you're out camping. Like I said, guys, this one is a very unique product. If you don't win it in the raffle, I recommend you go out and grab one now. Gonna get you staying longer and making the most of your weekends.
That's all the gear from Companion. So we've covered off on a shower, all your solar, all your power, all your cooling needs for all your drinks, food and everything else. How about we sort of move on now to what stuff sort of feeds the soul? Like we've got you staying longer, we've got you owning the weekend. Let's have a look at what we can cook up in these campfire ovens. This gear from Campfire, you know, absolutely top class when you're talking campfire gear as far as cast iron cooking. Like, you know, it's really goes back to the heart of what camping's all about. I myself love a good old-fashioned stew or even a damper cooked in one of these ones. Now we'll have a bit of a look at this 9-quart unit.
Comes pre-seasoned, guys. It's got a flange lid. And one of the little kits we've got in the raffle here comes with a steam rack and also a mini lid lifter. I mean, cast iron cooking, guys. Campfire are the best in the business. You can't go past it.
Well, that is it. When I say that is it, it's not really it, is it? It's over $7,000 worth of prizes you can pick up. You know, I really hope I do call you, and the best way to get into the draw is either click the link above or below this video or somewhere, it'll be around here somewhere. Get in the draw, get your details, only cost you $5 for a ticket, supporting people with a disability, and yeah, I again can't thank the team here at OZtrail, Companion and Campfire enough. You know, Ben DeSchalt's around the warehouse and really pick some great items that help you, you know, own your weekend, you're staying longer and you're feeding your soul. Like, guys, that's what camping's all about. And like, you know, we all need a break. There's no doubt COVID's still around with us at the moment, and what a better way to celebrate than having your first camping trip away with some of this gear. All right, guys, that's it from me. $5 a ticket above or below, and I'll see you on the road.